Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the HubSpot for email marketing. Okay, so let's just begin. Okay, so first of all, we have to go into the HubSpot.com. So I'm going to simply write HubSpot here and let's just click on the HubSpot.com. Okay, so the HubSpot is basically a CRM platform that helps you to connect your data, team and the customers on a single platform to grow your own business. Okay, so now what I need to do, I will just simply click on Get Started Free here. So this is a sign up page for the HubSpot. You can simply sign up with your Gmail account or Microsoft, or you can even provide your email here. So I will just simply sign up with my Gmail here. Okay. Alright. Okay. So let's just continue with this account. Okay, so as you can see here that we are inside the dashboard of our HubSpot account. Okay, so I just want to explore the HubSpot right now. So you can see here in the HubSpot, we have the context, we have the conversions, we have the marketing, we have the sales, we have the services, automation and the reports. And in the user guide, as you can see here, we have the marketing hub for free, sales hub for free, and service hub for free, operation hub for free, and CMS hub for free. Since we want to use the HubSpot for email marketing, so I will just simply click on the marketing here. And as you can see in the marketing, we have the ads, emails, landing page, website, social, SEO and campaign. Okay, so the campaign is actually the part of Marketing Hub Professional, which is actually the paid feature. Okay, so now let's just go into the email and we will create our first email. Okay, so as you can see here that I have already created the emails just for the testing purpose. So in the marketing email, you can see we have the manage. In analyze, you will see the recipient, engagement, delivery, and we also have this metrics. We also have this performance reports and etc. Okay, and in the health, let's just go and see what we have in the health. Okay, so in the health is actually the email health. Okay, so what does the email health matters? Okay, and why does the email health matters? Because the better the score of the email health, better the chances of your email to reach your contacts inbox. Alright, so now let's just go into the manage again. So as you can see here, we have this create email button. So I will just simply click on this and it would create the email for us. Okay, so in the email, as you can see that we have the three different types, the regular, the automated and the blog. Okay, so the automated is actually the paid feature here. So I will just simply click on the regular. As you can see the bunch of different templates here. Okay, so we have the welcome template, simple promotion, plain email and the newsletter. And we also have these premium templates, but we can only access this by upgrading to the Marketing Hub starter. Alright, so let's just begin with this welcome template here. So I just simply click on this template and we can see this template here. We have some text, we have the logo, we have the address. Alright, so if you want to add or delete something from our template, we can simply do that. Okay, so let's suppose I want to add a picture in my template. So how can I do that? And I can simply add it from here. So if I just want to add at the top of our email, so I can simply add it here. So if I want to add it to the side, we can do it as well. And if I want to add it to the bottom, we can also do that. But right now I will just simply add this to the top. Okay, and you can simply upload the image here. It could be any image. So I'll just simply pick my image here. Alright, so this is how you can add the image to your email. And if you want to change the image of your logo, you can also do it just by clicking on the logo, and you can see the image of our logo here. We have some alt text and we have the width, height, and we can also add the link, but it is optional. And we have the alignment, we have the padding. So if you want to change the image of your logo, you would simply click on the replace here. And you can pick the image from here. You can upload the image from your computer and you can also add the image by the URL as well. Okay, but I will like to keep this logo. Okay, let me just delete this image from here. So I would simply click on this delete icon and it would actually remove the image from here. And in the similar way, you can add the text here. Okay, so if you want to add the text, you can simply add it from here. All right, and you can also edit your text from here as well. You can see here, you can, if you want to add the padding, you can add the padding from here to the top, bottom, left or right. All right, so let's just go back and I would actually delete this right now. And if you want to add the button, you can simply add the button from here. So I want to add the button to the bottom and this is the button, and you can edit the button and you can see that we can edit the button. Okay, so the first thing is link to. Okay, so this will be the action of our button. If you want to have this button as a URL, we can have this as a URL, and it can be used for the meeting links or file download or email subscription link and email address as well. Okay, so you also have to provide a link here and you can edit the text of your button from here, and you can also change the formatting of the text from here. You can change the font, you can change the color, alright, and you can also give a background color to your button, and we also have the other options to explore too. Alright, so let's just go back here. So let me just add subscribe. Alright, so in the similar way you can add the divider. So I would like to add the divider here. Alright, so you can edit it from here, and you can also add the social links here. So let's just add the social links here. And in the social links, as you can see here, we have the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. You can add the link of your Facebook account here, and in the similar way you can add the link of your LinkedIn, Twitter and the Instagram. Alright, so let's just go back, and you can also add the video here. Okay, so we can also add the layouts here. So let's just add the layout here right now, and now you can see that we have this layout, and we can drop any kind of content here. Okay, so we can have the layout in 1 column, in 2 columns, 3 and 2 columns with the unequal ratio, alright, and the 4 columns. Okay, so this is how you can add the layout. Okay, so let's just delete this right now. Alright, so now we will actually go into the settings. So now we are good with our email here. So now I would need to go to the settings, and in the settings what you need to do, you have to provide a subject line of your email. So it would be the test email again, and you can add the preview text, the language of our email. Okay, so we also have to add the subscription type. So as you can see here, I only have the one subscription type. If you want to add a new subscription, okay, for your business, you can simply add it from here by clicking the add subscription. Alright, and in the last we have the office location. So if you want to add your own location, you would simply edit this location from here. Alright, and now I will simply go into the send or schedule. Okay, so here we have to select the recipient where I want to send the email, but right now I don't have any contact in my HubSpot account, so I will simply use this sample contact. But if you want to add or import your list of contact, you can simply import it from here, or you can even create a new list of contact from here. So I'll just simply go with the sample contact here, and we can also choose the list of contacts where I don't want to send the email, so I can simply select it from here as well. So here we have the 2 sending options. So if I want to send now, so I would just simply click on this radio button, but if I want to schedule it for the later, I will simply click on this button. Okay, so I just want to send this right now, so let's just click on the send now, and in the last I will simply review and send our email. Okay, so as you can see here, we have done everything correctly. So we can also preview our email from here. So I just click on the preview, and you will be able to see that how your email will look like to your customer or your client. Okay, so let's just go back and send this email to our dummy contact. Okay, so let's just click on the send email now, and we have sent our email to our customers. Okay, so this is how you can send the emails to your customer or the client. So let's just go back to the all emails, and now you can see that we have this email here, and we have also sent the email to a single customer. Okay, so this is how you can create the email in the HubSpot.com, and this is how you can use the HubSpot.com for email marketing. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.